Make sure to go follow us on all of our socials. Those are all linked in the description down below. But without further ado, I think that's going to do it. We'll see you next week. All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Robert.
All right, let's knock out your stuff out there real quick. Oh no. Oh no. This is now recording, which meant I never hit record to begin with. Oh no.
Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, June the 28th. My name is Mitchell, I'm a manager here at Fort Fabric Studio.
And I'm Robert, the customer service manager.
This is a little series where we like to run through the Friday newsletter with you and go out in person and show you everything we have. So without further ado, let's get started. To start off, because it is Friday, we have our new Friday bundle. This one is called July Basics. It is a 8-piece back quarter bundle priced at $29.96. It's very USA themed. It has your red, white, and blue. You have your stars. You have some gingham, you have some stripes, all in your colors, like I said, of red, white, and blue. So you can light up the 4th with your July Basics.
The next collection we're going to talk about is called Baking Up Joy from Wilmington. Be sure to check out the full collection of yardage, the 24-inch placemat panels, 30-inch apron panels, 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips, and the Baking Up Joy wall quilt kits. The collection is loaded with gingerbread cookies, mugs filled with cocoa, icing stripes, and snowflakes. The colors are red, chocolate, and white. If all that interests you, be sure to check out the Baking Up Joy collection from Wilmington.
Next up, we got Hidden Valley from Northcott. With this collection, we have the full collection. We have 28-inch panels, and we also have the horse roundup quilt kits. And this is a very Western themed group, so I'm talking you got your horses, you got your cowboys, you got your horseshoes, clouds, trees. There's also some stone and marble texture in this, all in your color schemes of browns, blues, and greens. So if you're needing to get any Western themed in your next project, make sure to saddle up and ride into your next project with Hidden Valley.
The next collection is called Winter Dreams from FIGO. We have the full collection of yardage, 24-inch panels, and the Holiday Hills quilt kit. It is a wintry collection with florals, magical stags, stars, tiny houses, little lights, gingham, linen textures. The colors are white, mint, taupe, green, grays, and blacks. Some pieces even contain gold metallic accents. If that interests you, capture cozy, elegant, and festive vibes with Winter Dreams from FIGO.
Next up, we got Pepita from Northcott. With this, we have the full yard collection and some 24-inch panels. This is a very vibrant group with colorful florals, some stripes, bouquets, some poinsettias, fireworks, snowstorms, and peppermint stripes, all on, like I said, a very vibrant, colorful color scheme of reds, blues, greens, purples, and some blacks and whites in there. So if you want any color popping pieces for your next project, make sure to check out Pepita from Northcott.
Also, we currently have a sale going on the Pearls Lace Quilt Kit. The regular price for that kit was $19.96. It is currently on sale for $79.96. That is the Pearls and Lace Quilt Kit featuring Promenade from Window.
Next up, I want to highlight our 2024 Halloween Mystery Quilt Kit. This one is called As the Crow Flies. We have started this mystery kit this Monday, so if you have not already, make sure to go check it out. This mystery quilt is going to last a total of 5 weeks. If you purchase this kit from us, the new instructions for cutting or putting together or making a block or however we're doing it for that week will be emailed to you on Monday. If you do not want to purchase the kit from us, we do now offer the patterns for sale. You will also get your pattern emailed to you every week. It is priced at $10.96. Also, if you would like to, with this mystery kit, you can join our Facebook group. It is called the Fort Worth Fabric Sewing Room. This is a perfect spot for any quilter that is quilting along with us. You can show your progress, you can ask questions, you can talk with other quilters and all ranges from beginner to expert, get some opinions from people. It is a great place to quilt along with others, so make sure to go check out that. There will also be YouTube tutorials going on. One of them will be from Stephanie Stitches and the other one will be from Kathy's Cute Kreations. The link to their channels are in the description down below. So if you are interested in starting this mystery kit with us, it has now started this past Monday. We have very few left, so make sure to go get them while supplies last.
Next up, we have our 108-inch wide Starry from Ruby Star Society. It's 4 neutral colored wide backings with star patterns, perfect for your next project. So check that out.
Next up, we have Very Merry Christmas from Northcott. This is a Christmas themed group with bears being the forefront of of it. With this, we have the full yard collection. We have 24-inch panels, so you can expect to see different things like bears, a bear next to a Christmas tree with a scarf on. We got mittens, we got hats, snowflakes, we got mistletoes, forests, we got cardinals, we got pine cones and snowflakes and checks and wood grains. This is all in a different color scheme of red, green, white, and blacks. Also some browns as the bears are in there. So if you're interested in any maybe bear themed Christmas group, make sure to get your paws on this holiday collection called Beary Merry Christmas from Northcott.
Be sure to check out our June bargains, which is full of sale items. We update that daily. It is filled with remnants, kits, notions, who knows what else could be included. Be sure to check that out.
Next up, we're going into our comment of the week section. This is a little section where we just like to highlight a comment that we got either from YouTube or Facebook or TikTok or Instagram. Any of those places you can comment and you have the chance of getting highlighted in this video. So we would like to highlight a comment from Cheryl T on YouTube saying, "Love seeing the fabrics, thank you." And we just want to say, no, thank you, Cheryl. Thank you for watching and checking out these videos. It very much helps us, and we're glad you enjoy watching and seeing all the fabrics that we have. And with that being said, I think that's going to end it this week for this episode of Friday Fabric Finds. I want to thank y'all for coming and checking it out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. You can hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. Also, you can comment down below and you can get featured on our comment of the week. We love to read from y'all. Make sure to go follow us on all of our socials. Those are all linked in the description down below. But without further ado, I think that's going to do it. We'll see you next week.